If you have a balance in your account and you are ready to withdraw your hard-earned shop funds, the process is very simple. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Etsy. Step 1 is to log into your Etsy account with your email and password. Be sure you are using the correct account that is associated with your shop. Once you are logged in, move to Step 2. Navigate to the Shop Manager. You can find this icon in the top right corner of the Etsy homepage. Click on it to access your shop's back-end settings. Step 3 is to select Finances. Look at the menu on the left-hand side of the Shop Manager screen and click on Finances to see your earnings and transaction history. From there, move to Step 4 and click on Payment Account. This page will show you exactly how much money is in your available balance and give you the options for transferring those funds. Finally, Step 5, click on Withdraw Funds. You can then choose the amount you wish to transfer and select your linked bank account. Just follow the remaining prompts to complete the withdrawal. After you finish these steps, your funds will be on their way. It is always a good idea to check your bank statement after a few business days to confirm the transaction has been fully processed. That's how you withdraw money from Etsy.